So super, super lightweight setup. I'm gonna go ahead and get these things on the bike. I already got the bike lifted up. You guys have seen me take on and off my shocks probably more than any other bike on the internet. Now, like anything else in my videos, always remember, if you are interested in purchasing these shocks, you can check out the links in the description box below. Of course, if you hit up Pistol Pete, if you hit up Nowaski Performance, let them know that Michael Bertini from YouTube sent you, and of course, they're gonna take care of you. All right,